everyone, my name is Bella and I'm a student here at Marist College. Today we're taking a look around Marian Hall. This residence hall houses approximately 140 first-year students across 2 floors. Marian is a great place to live, so let's go check it out. This is what a room will typically look like in Marian Hall. These rooms are either triples or quads, meaning you share your space with 2 or 3 other students. You each have your own height-adjustable bed, dresser, desk with chair, and my favorite thing is that each room has its own walk-in closet that you share with your roommates. There's also room for a mini fridge and microwave that you can either bring from home or rent from the college. As for TV, we use an internet-based service that you can watch on a Roku device, computer, or even your smartphone. Each floor is separated by wing, with each wing having a shared bathroom with showers, lavatories, and sinks. Both floors of Marian offer laundry facilities. These machines are free to use and you can check the status of the machines online. Each floor also has a common lounge where you can watch TV, study, socialize, or enjoy planned activities organized by residential staff. And like every first-year residence hall on campus, Marian has a resident director that oversees the building as well as 2 resident assistants on each floor. RDs are live-in professional staff members that are responsible for the day-to-day operations and oversee the RAs. RAs are extensively trained upperclassmen who are responsible for developing programming, promoting positive community development, and acting as a resource for fellow resident students. Marian also has a coordinator from the Office of First-Year Programs. This professional staff member mentors new students throughout their first year at Marist to help them with their academic, social, and emotional transition to college. What I love about Marian are the large walk-in closets and its proximity to the campus green. It's right next to the library and directly across from the Student Center. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Marian Hall and everything it has to offer. If you want to see Marian or any of our other first-year residence halls for yourself, schedule a campus tour at marist.edu/visit. If you want to learn more about housing at Marist, check out our housing website at marist.edu/housing. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.